When I was 17, I started an online business that ended up doing over $1 million in sales its first year from complete scratch.
What's up, success fam? Have you ever been told that to be rich and successful you need to be old and have a high-paying job? Well, the person we are going to be looking at today is the direct opposite. Biaheza was born in Belarus.
What?
Yeah, I know. You thought he was born in the US. Me too, dude. His family then moved to California when he was 6 years old. As you would think, Biaheza started hustling at a young age. When he was in grade 6, he started a YouTube channel showcasing his skateboarding skills. And unlike many young individuals, he hopped on almost every side hustle to secure the bags. But one day, he'll stumble across
the most powerful platform in the entire universe
that would change the entirety of his life. And it was called
Instagram.
Oh, you're still watching? Thanks, I appreciate it. I'd highly appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button. Don't worry, subscribing is free and you get to see all the videos that I upload. Then started gaining interest in theme pages such as nature pages, car pages, Bible pages, makeup pages, and because of this, he exited the demand train and entered the supply train. Put in mind that he didn't even know that these pages were making money, but he was more interested in these pages because they had a lot of following. So he created his first page, which was a nature photography page, and it gained 1 million followers in 1 week. I am kidding. Did you believe me? Comment down below. So continuing with the story, he didn't give up. He continued grinding, but this wasn't going to fit him. So when he was 15 years old, he got a job, which obviously wasn't an official job, where he was distributing flyers door to door of a local restaurant. I can go the whole day being poetic about all the struggles Biaheza faced and all the side hustles he tried. But because I ain't...
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
No Shakespeare, I'm going to cut the story short. So as he grew his Instagram pages, he started making thousands and thousands of dollars through selling shoutouts. But as he continued selling shoutouts, he realized that all the shoutouts he had been selling were advertisements of dropshipping stores.
And at this point, the dots in my head really started to connect. Everything kind of changed when I found YouTube channels talking about Instagram growth as well as dropshipping. I finally realized what all these ads that I was getting paid to post for the last few months were doing.
This started creating a puzzle in his mind. So he started learning about the business model and made his first attempt where he failed. So he quit. But he saw that dropshipping was a legit business model. He continued with his side hustles, but one day he just wanted to give dropshipping another try. So he grew his own theme pages and placed his own ads, which would then do what he didn't expect. They made him thousands and thousands of dollars. This would go into a point where he made hundreds and thousands of dollars and leaving him currently as a millionaire, making about $100,000 at the age of 18. This was 3 years ago in 2019, where he was making about $100,000 per month. Because of his skills of dropshipping, people started asking for a course. Firstly, he started hesitating, didn't want to offer a course, but because he wanted to share, he launched his course. Biaheza's story shows that hard work pays off. A lot of people are scared of failing, but someone once said, 2 losses make it dub.
And a winning product right now, build a store for it, order it to your home, start making completely free videos and posting it on TikTok, and those ads can pop off organically. It is more sporadic and less consistent than paid TikTok ads, but there's people right now making 6 figures by just filming TikToks of, but it's not like I'm super smart or better than anyone watching this video, right? All it came down to for me was persistence. If anyone spent 5 years working towards something, they'd likely achieve some level of success with it.